the Sealey VSE110 Belt Tensioning Tool. The VSE110 ensures you can accurately measure the tension of a vehicle's cam belts and serpentine drive belts, where the movement of the belt is measured by load. Simply refer to the manufacturer's instructions and fit the VSE110 in the correct location for load testing. Then obtain the manufacturer's data for belt deflection and load, and using the tables supplied in the belt tension gauge instructions, find the correct tension setting. Then turn the knurled knob until the bevelled edge is on the required tension setting. The belt tension can then be read on the internal slide. If the reading is incorrect, adjust the tension as necessary, and the job is complete. The VSE110 is suitable for belts of varying thicknesses. The Sealey VSE110 Belt Tensioning Tool. Another quality tool from the Sealey range.